Welcome to 2025, a year where beauty trends are all about celebrating individuality and self-expression. This year, eyebrows are truly having their best moment yet, taking center stage in the world of style and self-care. The big trend? Fluffy and defined brows, a perfect blend of natural texture and clean, sculpted shape. It's a look that's both modern and timeless, giving you the best of both worlds. Gone are the days of pencil-thin lines or overly bold, laminated brows that look more drawn on than real. Now it's all about authenticity and enhancing what you already have. This look is all about embracing your natural brows, making them appear full, healthy, and effortlessly groomed, like you just stepped out of a professional studio, but with minimal effort. Whether your brows are thick, sparse, straight, arched, or somewhere in between, this style is truly universal. It works for everyone, regardless of face shape or hair color. Imagine each hair brushed up for a soft, airy feel, with the bottom and tail of the brow neatly defined for a polished finish. It's a technique that adds dimension and life to your look. The result? Brows that say, "I woke up like this." With just a little help from the right tools and products, of course. It's a smart, natural look that's full of personality, letting your unique features shine through. The fluffy and defined look celebrates your individuality, giving you brows that are polished but never overdone, always fresh, never forced. It's the ultimate style for a new year, charming, inclusive, and easy to achieve, no matter your skill level. Ready to discover how you can get this look at home? Let's dive in and unlock the secrets to fluffy, defined brows that are uniquely yours. Let's break down the fluffy and defined brow in a few easy steps. Whether you're a beginner or a brow enthusiast, this routine is simple, effective, and easy to master at home. Start by outlining the bottom edge of your brow with a fine-tipped pencil, using light, hair-like strokes to fill any gaps. This helps create a natural base and gives your brows a fuller appearance right from the start. Next, grab a brow gel, clear or tinted, and brush your hairs up and out with a spoolie. The gel holds your brow hairs in place, giving them that fluffy, lifted look that's so on trend. For extra fullness, first brush against the hair growth, then back up and out. This technique separates each hair, making your brows look thicker and more dimensional. Use a clean spoolie to blend and soften any harsh lines or clumps. Blending is key to achieving a seamless, natural finish that mimics real brow hairs. Want a sharper finish? Trace a bit of concealer under the arch with a flat brush for a crisp edge. This step highlights your brow shape and cleans up any mistakes for a polished look. The key is blending. Your brows should look natural, not drawn on. Take your time to feather out any harsh lines and make sure both brows look balanced. Each step builds on the last, creating brows that are fluffy, defined, and totally you. Don't be afraid to experiment with different products or techniques to find what suits your face best. No fancy gadgets needed, just a pencil, gel, and spoolie. These basic tools are all you need to achieve salon-worthy brows at home. With a little practice, you'll master this look in minutes. Soon, you'll be able to create your perfect brow routine with confidence and ease. Let's talk about the best tools for the job so you can get started on your brow transformation today. The right tools make all the difference for perfect brows. Start with an ultra-fine brow pencil for realistic hair-like strokes, ideal for filling sparse spots. Brow gels are the secret to that fluffy texture. Clear gels tame, while tinted ones add fullness and color. For extra volume, try gels with microfibers that cling to each hair. Need serious hold? Brow waxes and pomades keep unruly brows in place all day. Apply wax with a spoolie for a sleek, brushed-up effect. The humble spoolie is your must-have tool. Use it to shape, apply product, and blend for a seamless finish. Think of it as your brow multi-tool. With these products, you can create any look, from soft and natural to bold and defined. Choose what suits your style and brow type. Now let's talk about keeping those brows healthy. Healthy brows are the foundation of any great look, providing a natural frame for your face. In 2025, brow products are packed with nourishing oils like castor, argan, and coconut to condition and strengthen hairs, making them healthier. Look for formulas with vitamins and peptides. They help brows grow fuller and stronger over time, enhancing their natural beauty. Choose daily products that are easy to remove to avoid damaging delicate hairs, keeping them intact. Skip waterproof formulas for everyday wear. Gentle removal keeps your brows happy and healthy. Treat your brows like you do your skin. Care and style go hand in hand, ensuring they look their best. The best products now style and nourish at once, providing dual benefits. Healthy brows are easier to shape, style, and show off, making them a standout feature. Want pro-level brows? Achieving the perfect eyebrows can seem daunting, but with the right tips, you can master it. Here's what the experts say. Professional makeup artists have shared their secrets to help you get those flawless brows. Choose a brow pencil 1 or 2 shades lighter than your hair for a softer, more natural look. This helps in creating a balanced and harmonious appearance. Match the undertone, cool for ashy hair, warm for golden tones. This ensures that your brows complement your overall look. Always fill in with pencil or powder before setting with gel. Gel is your final step for hold and polish. This technique locks in the shape and keeps your brows looking neat all day. Start by brushing brows up with a spoolie to reveal their true shape and sparse spots. This step is crucial for identifying where you need to fill in. Blend product with a spoolie for a seamless, natural finish. Blending helps in distributing the product evenly and softening any harsh lines. Brands now offer a huge range of shades for every hair color and skin tone. This variety ensures that everyone can find their perfect match. Try virtual filters on apps to test shapes and colors before you commit. These tools can help you visualize different styles and make informed choices. Inclusivity is key. There's a perfect brow product for everyone. No matter your style or preference, there's something out there for you. With these tips, you'll get brows that look pro-styled every day. Consistency and practice are key to mastering your brow game. But what if you want to try something different? Experimenting with bold and unique styles can be a fun way to express your personality. Fluffy and defined is the main event, but 2025 is all about options. The modern skinny brow is back, created with makeup, not tweezers, for a temporary slim look. Bleached and colored brows are trending too, inspired by pop stars and runways. Use concealer for a faux bleached effect or try bold colors for a playful twist. Brow lamination, like a perm for your brows, remains popular for a long-lasting brushed-up style. Stronghold gels can mimic this effect at home. These trends prove there are no rules. Brows are about fun and self-expression. Try a new style for a day. You might find a new favorite. Makeup is temporary, so experiment and enjoy. Brows in 2025 are all about adventure and individuality. The fluffy and defined look is inclusive, flattering, and easy to personalize. But don't be afraid to try skinny, bleached, or colorful brows. Makeup is meant for play. Your brows are a canvas for creativity, changing with your mood or style. There's no right or wrong, just what makes you feel good. With so many tools and products, experimenting is easier than ever. Your brows frame your face and your personality. Whether you're sculpting a masterpiece or just having fun, enjoy the process. Embrace your unique brows, they're your best feature. Here's to a year of bold, beautiful brow adventures.